Hey, Frank, I'm Ahearn, privacy consultant, author of How to Disappear and the Online Dating Journal. So what I want to talk about is online dating. And what I've discovered is most individuals do not check out their partner that they met on the internet until after the fact. They've, where the partner has asked for money, or they're hard to reach, or a very one-sided conversation. If you are dating online and you meet somebody on the internet, you should check them out, because it is more than likely they are a fraud. Now, I know that sounds like a generalization, but from my experience and the work that I've done with people over the years, every person I checked out was a fraud. If you meet someone online, you should take action. And the first thing you should do is request a face-to-face video like this. Hi, how are you doing? I hope your day is going well. My name is so-and-so. And don't allow them to lie to you. You have to stand your ground. You can't, they tell you they're working on an oil rig. Don't get involved with them until they're off the oil rig. They tell you they're in the military. Don't get involved till they're on the leave. You have to make sure that the person you're chatting with is who they are, because until you actually confirm an identity, they are an unidentified individual. The second somebody asks you for money, you should run, because if you give that money, you're never going to get it back. So if you want to learn how to protect yourself from online dating fraud and blackmail and things of that nature, pick up this book, The Online Dating Journal. It works. All you need to do is play a little love detective, and you will save yourself a lot of heartache and definitely a lot of money. So, Frank M. Ahearn, have a great day. And if you have any questions, feel free to email. I will answer some questions.